Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. How do you think that you can make money online the simplest way you can? I have put together the following simple ways we can help you make money online. Listen to music to make money, sell done for you pictures to clients, fill out surveys and perform certain tasks assigned by the client. Today's method may be the simplest yet, but it's likely that we'll just be typing names again. I'm sure you know how easy that is, and it's amazing that this method exists. What's amazing is that you don't need technical skills or special skills to use this method. All you have to do is build a huge social media engagement or presence. As long as you have the internet and a computer or mobile device, you won't need to market this to your friends and family, and you won't have to sell anything. There's no doubt you'll be able to do this strategy. We're just going to type in some names and then we're going to make money with it. So don't miss the video, since you'll learn how to set up this and maximize the income potential of it along with other subscribers, so you'll know how to do it. Let's go. This is Top 4 Earnings. Welcome to my channel. You can learn how to earn money online by subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to comment if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions. Here's where we start. We'll be using squadhelp.com. For today now, we should thank the heavens above for creating such a platform for us to make money and make a living, and in the future develop it into an independent income stream. Right now we are in my profile. There are a lot of things going on here and we will go through each and every one of these buttons, but first let's click this button right here and find active contests here. Upon clicking that, you will be redirected to the page where you will see all the active contests. Upon scrolling down, and there are a lot of them, going back to clicking this button, you will find recent winners, and upon clicking that you will see all the recent winners of these contests and how much they have made winning these contests. Today's video I will show you step by step how we can make money online just like what they're doing, and that is why it's important that you stick with me until the end of the video so you will know how this goes and what you're going to do in order to maximize the money making potential of this platform. But before we dive into it, let me first explain what Squad Help does. So Squad Help is a platform where a lot of business owners come to 12 ideas on how they can name their business or even get the names out of Squad Help workers. That's how simple it works. You may think that you won't make the big bucks by just naming a few businesses, but you are wrong. Businesses actually pay a lot of money to people who name their businesses, but you know, at times it is hard to think of names for businesses. That is why I'm going to provide you with tips on how we can have amazing names to present to the clients. But before working on naming projects, we should create our own accounts. Just find this button and click on sign up. After that, just provide them the necessary details to make your account, and that should do it. Upon logging into your new account, you will have your very own dashboard. So here you will have all these sections and buttons, and to know more about their specifics, just read and scroll around to familiarize the platform. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below. This brand new method is not yet known by a lot of people, so you are very lucky to be watching this video right now. This is a great opportunity for you to hop on and earn a decent amount of money. You can do this again and again using your phone or your computer, and as I've mentioned at the start of this video, I'll be showing you some exclusive bonus tips so that you can earn double or even triple than the usual amount. I have tried using this website and I can really say that the results I got are really amazing. Now again, let's find the active contests button, which is right here. You will see right here all the active contests that you can actually join. There are actually a lot of contests that you can join, even producing taglines and making logos, but for this specific video we will be focusing on naming contests. So with that, let us filter with the kind of contests here to only show the naming contests. And by the way, I'm not prohibiting you to try the different contests out here. You can join in any contest that you would like, but for today's video let me just focus on this particular contests. Now going back to the naming contest, as you can see here, there are a lot of contests going on. You will also see the number of entries the contest has received and how much time remains for it to declare the winner. And also, would you look at the prices here, these are big bucks. These amounts for naming businesses are absolute heaven. Now another bonus, since you're still here watching, since you're only getting started making money out of these contests, this very viable that you start in the low paying contests first. I mean, it is still good to submit entries in high paying contests, but You should focus more on low-paying contests since providers here focus more on the higher-paying contests. That is why you'll have more chances of winning in these low-paying contests. Also on here you will see these types of contests where it will say tier A. These contests are for those who are able to win a number of contests already, or if you can read the criteria that can be found right here. That is why we have to rise up from the ranks from low-paying to high-paying so that you can also avail and submit entries in tier 8 contests. Now let's click on this contest to know what to expect inside these contests. So upon clicking this one you will be redirected here to their NDA or the non-disclosure agreement page to review and or accept the agreement, and to move forward just tick this I agree box. After that you will be forwarded here to the page where the client will put all the details that he wants for their name, or sometimes they will input here their criteria on how they will choose the winner of their contest. So in here you will find the preferences of the client on what they want their name to be. So as a provider you will have to take note of these simple details in order to provide them with a name that suits their businesses. Now this is the trick here. I guaranteed earlier that this is going to be a very easy method. That is why I will be providing you with another platform that will provide us with these names that we're going to submit to the client. We will head to nameelix.com to find done for you templates. So what Nameelix does is provide their clients with an AI facilitated app in coming up with names. Amazing, right? Artificial intelligence helping you to provide names for business owners. That is an absolute win. You just have to input the details that the clients want, and Nameelix will provide you with a number of options to choose from, and from those options I'm pretty sure that one of those names will be chosen by the client and you will be declared as the winner. After that you will just select the length of the name and its name style. After clicking this button they're going to provide you with hundreds of options to choose from. You just skip the premium names here because you'll have to pay for that, but below you will see the free ones that will make you big money in squadhelp.com. Moving forward to the next platform that will allow us to choose a domain. Here you will just input again the description of how the client wants their name, and upon clicking generate they're going to give all these domains that you get to choose from, and that is automatic. You just then select the ones you think that is suited for the client and submit it in Squad Help. That's about it. Overall this is an up and coming strategy that not most people know about yet. This is why it is important to jump on this since it is still now in demand. So try this method. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some value out of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video.